Yeah, we're at Club Samal now. Going to pay Kuya Rainer's stuff. There, Club Samal. Going to do an errand. We have arrived here.
So, anong gagawin mo? Mag-view ka pa?
So we're checking out the Mahan Garden Resort. Because we just checked the Club Samal. It looks nice from the outside. Inquire lang muna tayo, sabihin mo. So cool.
So big!
Ang tuba. So, ang ganda ng design.
Ano na lang? Skip na lang natin yung contact number.
Yes. Oh. Nag-vlog naman dyan. To another resort. Whole Beach Resort. Checking.
Ma, mag-inquire me? Yes, sir. Pila man ang namoy rooms?
Ay, wala.
Wala.
Temporary park data. Space on the grass lang ang parking.
Bakit po?
Paharap lang.
Dito no? Ang ano?
Dito sir, pwede mag-park dito.
Ako
Temporary
dito.
park. Pareha lang park sa L3 sir. Space on the grass lang.
Okay, sige.
Go inside the beach resort. Mommy, we're going inside the beach resort.
Are you excited?
I'm going inside this. I'm going.
Yeah, we're here.
I'm going inside the.
Costa Azalea. May acoustic night.
Should we inquire?
Maybe we'll ask.
Costa Azalea.
So classy. We are at Villa Rosal. Looks good, but it's quite expensive. So let's go.
Ganda White House man, corner. Tapos may ano, sea view. 459.
Okay, we'll see if we like it. We're back. Arrived to another Sea Breeze Beach Resort.
Sea Breeze Beach Resort.
There you go.
Inquire.
Wow, they have a fountain in the middle. It's very European.
The fountain.
Yeah, we're here. Go na, Daddy. Wow, this is the Garden City of Samal. Pero mainit man ata. Subawan. Bakit para kang pagong mag-drive, Daddy?
Kainin na. Nagbibideo ka man. Nabibidyoan mo man yung ano, Samal Park. Sabi pa ni Google. Samal. Maglagot ko ani mo. Tutagan eh. Hagimit.
Hagimit. Wala naman tayo sa proper island. Doon tayo dapat balik Davao. Dito na tayo. Hagimit. Got a new toy from the convenience store. Nagsisell na pala sila ng toys. Engineer toys. Alis, affordable lang. City truck. And we bought snacks. Ready for battle later at the beach. Piatos, GP. Ready to go. Yummy. This is for me. Twist chocolate pretzel. And Dad is still driving. He's been driving the whole day. Ay, that's Tito Rainier's airplane. Yeah. Monfort.
Ay, open ba?
Oh, it's open Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. By the bats. We're back again after 2 years. Junway's first time.
You're gonna see the Bat Cave now.
Where the Batman lives.
Did you remember the bat?
Batman Junway.
Hello! How are you, Junrain? We're at Bat Cave. You say, we're at Bat Cave! Yay! Okay. Okay, let's go in. You hold on to mommy. Mommy, daddy. Okay, be careful. Shiny, will be there.
Let's go.
Ali, mabayad pa ko eh.
Ay, let's pay the entrance muna na.
Hindi.
So, we're walking inside. Wide. We're here. We're back again. Hi. Type of bats. There's microbats and megabats. Fruit bats. So there it is.
Fruit bats. Fruit bats masih yata sila dari, diba? Fruit bats. But I think fruit bats are big. Not don't go too far. The bat will kidnap you.
Oh, nagpaa! Diyan! Pick your sleepers! Come back to the sleepers. We're going to the Bat Cave, where the Batman lives.
Batman.
Entrance to the Bat Cave. 2 years ago, we were here. And now we're back. Junway's bigger. Oh, miracle fruit. Do you know Kitty's hognose bat is the smallest species of bat and arguably the world's smallest mammal by body length? Oh, so big.
It's just art. The real bat is there. Makikat na lang.
There are the bats.
Namoy po konti.
Batman!
Sa taas, oh.
Ay, be careful na ka.
Do you see the bat?
Ay, linagyan na nila ng ganito. Wala mang ganito dati. Barricade yata.
Wala man. Diba ano pa si Kuya?
Oh, dun. Barricade na siya. There, inside.
Where's your camera? You go down to the... Nahulog ng camera ni mo na. Sige na. Where's your camera?
Hi! We're at Batman's place.
Junrain vlogging.
Junrain. I'm back here. Kasi he was here when he was baby.
Yung mga uwak. Laki ng uwak.
Batman.
He knows how to climb na.
Oh no, I'm sorry na.
Sige.
Ay! Uy!
Ano ba ako?
Maternity mating areas. Oh, wow. Dito yung mga mating area. Mga babies. Mga they're in a mating season.
That's Beth's home. Beth's home.
Yeah, back home.
Yeah.
Ayun, Junay, ka mahulog ka, Junay.
Do not lean on the fence na.
Hey, you wanna see the bat? Come, hi.
Oh, Beth. Oh, this Beth.
So after mating, then they have a baby and then they will train to be the next Kung Fu Panda. I mean Kung Fu Bat. Wow, they are training here.
Hold daddy phone kay you might fall na.
Now smells like coffee.
Coffee. Hold daddy's hand ba kay mahulog ka ba?
Wow, no. Daddy, don't do that. Baka
Don't do
ma-break yung fence.
Ma-break na.
Kaya hindi siya, it's not stable.
You listen, you want to hold down there?
Yeah, go after training, we will go to the male sward. Meron pala siyang may mga banner naman pala na nag-indicate kung saan.
Kasi alam na.
Male sward.
There's a lot.
The other side is here.
Don't hold the fence. There's bird poops.
Come on. Let's go to the male sward. Okay. So here are the male sword. Mga men. Kalalakihan. Others sa iguana.
Hello. Because you're not listening to daddy. You hold daddy. Oh, look oh, iguana oh. So malaki. Look, ang iguana na. Iguana ba yan? Monitor lizard pala. Wala, bungkag sila kanay monitor lizard.
But the lizard is scary.
Yeah, the lizard is eating the bat.
Why are they there? Why is he there then? Can they not attack him?
Wala silang sense yet.
Bats don't attack?
Fruit bats naman sila. Iba man yung nag-a-atake yata.
Now we're going to the senior sword. Where Papa is. Where Lolo Johnner is. Lolo is there. Lola. Senior. So quiet na. Wala nang sounds. Parang solemn.
Parang walang tao dyan ah.
Tahimik lang sila. Kunti lang. Mga 50s, 60s na.
Tatanda na.
Wala na silang sounds. Konti lang. Cannot be seen. It's too dark to be seen.
Those are old bats. Wowo bats.
Wow.
Let's go back.
Wowo bats.
Wow, bats. Hindi na makita at hindi na marinig. Okay. Will they bite us?
Huwag lang mag-approach kay ano yan. Madaming bacteria yung kagat nila.
Yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. Love, don't come so near. Okay, bye-bye, Lolo, Wowo, and Lola.
Bye-bye, senior bat.
Senior bat.
Bye-bye, Ngubat.
Bye-bye, Ngubat.
Bye-bye, Ngubat.
And Ngunga.
Ngubat.
Alright. Ano to, return na? Return to sender.
Last attraction naman yung Ngunga bat.
Where are we?
Where are we?
In the monument of bats?
Supposed to be ata to.
What is this?
Gagawin ka na.
Ano? Something. Okay, we're going back now.
Okay, that's the end.
What are you doing there?
Dami